Hey everyone, it's Ken Brown with Ken Brown Consulting. Today's video is for my life coaches. I'm going to show you guys how to add the Astra WordPress theme to WordPress for your website design needs. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you'll want to do is you're going to want to go to Appearance, click on Themes, click Add New, and then search for Astra. Then click on Install. Then click Activate. All right, next you're going to want to actually get the pro version. You'll want to go to wpastra.com. And then you're going to want to register and sign up for one of their packages or their plans that they have available. I would recommend probably the most basic plan for the sake of your website needs. Once you are registered and have purchased your package, what you'll want to do is go to My Account and then click on Downloads, where you'll be taken to a section where you can download all kinds of extra added features and functionality that you can include in your website design. But for today's purpose, we're going to look at just getting the Astra Pro add-on. And to do so, you just click on this link and you will get a download, which will probably go to your downloads folder by default, unless you have it specified somewhere else. Now that you've downloaded the Astra Pro add-on, you're going to want to go back to WordPress, and then you're going to want to go to Plugins, click on Install Plugins, click on Add New, click on Upload Plugin, click on Choose File, and then I'm going to upload the Astra add-on plugin. Click Install Now. And then you're going to want to activate the plugin. And now let's click on Activate Plugin. And here you're going to want to enter your license key. In order to get that, you're going to want to go back to the wpastra.com website. And in your account, you will want to click on the Account tab and then click on Licenses, which will take you to this page where you will have a serial key in here that you'll want to copy. Come back to WordPress and provide your license key here, and then click on Activate License. Once you're done with that, you'll be able to activate all these extra add-ons or modules, which I'll cover in future videos. So please stay tuned. If you like this video or have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.